Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install apps from App Store without asking for Apple ID password. So whenever you guys try to install the free apps, it will ask for you the Apple ID password every time. So I'm going to show you how to just turn it off and download the free apps without asking for Apple ID next time. So let me show you. Whenever you just try to install the app, it will ask for you the Apple ID password. So I have turned it off, and now you can see that it will just install the app without asking for the password now, as you can see. So I'm going to show you how can you just turn it off too. So let's get start the video, guys. So first of all, open the setting on your iPhone, then go to the screen time, then tap on content and privacy. Now just turn it on, then go to the iTunes and App Store purchases. Now here is, as you can see, now it's just require password, just tick on the don't require. So now it will not ask for you the Apple ID password whenever you try to install the free apps on your iPhone. So hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, guys, leave a like and comment. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.